गाइस, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे अपना क्लास 9 के अकॉर्डिंग, जो कि आपका जियोग्राफी का चैप्टर फर्स्ट है, इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन। उसके एमसी टाइप क्वेश्चन है। जैसे कि आपको पता है, हम अपने पार्ट 3 में हमने कहा था भी, जो हमारी ये लॉन्ग वीडियो है पार्ट 3 की, और ये पार्ट 4 जो हमारा होगा वो हमारा एमसी टाइप क्वेश्चन का होगा। तो शुरू करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन्फ्लुएंसेस द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द डे एंड नाइट एज वन मूव्स फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ। तो इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट। Now next question, Indian Standard Time or IST is how many hours ahead or behind of GMT or Universal Time? तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Now next question, the standard meridian of India 82 degree 30 east passes through which of the following places? Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. Next question, if the local time at Dwarka 69 degrees 01 east in Gujarat to the west of India is 6 am, what will be the local time at Dibrahag 94 degree 58 east approximately 95 degree in Assam in the east? 7:44 am. Next question, both of the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India's mainland is about 30 degree. But on the looking at the map of India, which of the following alternatives do you observe about India's size? तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, east west extent appears to be a smaller than north south extent. Now next question, by which geographical feature is India bounded in the northwest, north and northeast? Youngfold Mountains. Now next question, which of the following figures shows the total area of India's landmass? 3.28 million square kilometer. What is India's size with respect to other countries of the world? 7th. Now next question, which geographical feature bonds India's mainland south of 22 degree north latitude? Seas and ocean. Now next question, which of the following is the westernmost longitude of India? 68 degree 7 east. Now next question, which of the following parallels of latitude divides India into two almost equal parts? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, टॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. India achieved multi-phased socio-economic progress during which of the following periods? During the last 5 decades. Next question, which of the following places of India is located on the 3 seas? Kanyakumari. Now next question, which of the following is the longitudinal extent of India? 68 degree 7 north and 97 degree 25 east. Now next question, which of the following union territories is located along the west coast of India? Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Now next question, which of the following is the oldest route of contact between India and other countries of the world? Land routes. Now next question, in which of the following places would you find the least difference in the duration between daytime and night time? Kanyakumari. Now next question, due to which of the following reasons is the Indian Ocean named after India? तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, ऑल द अबव. देखिए, इंडिया हैज़ द स्ट्रेटेजिक लोकेशन along the trans Indian ocean routes. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India. India is centrally located at the head of the Indian Ocean. तो इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, ऑल द अबव. Now next question, the latitudinal extent of India lies between 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north. Now next question, Tropic of Cancer passes through which of these states? Tripura. Next question, which meridian is fixed as the standard meridian of India? 82 and half degree east. Now next question, what is the position of India in the world in respect of area? 7th position. Which country among the India's neighbor is the smallest? Bhutan. Next question, which of the following forms of southernmost tip of the India mainland? Kanyakumari. Now next question, India's total area accounts for what percentage of the geographical area of the world? 2.4%. Now next question, India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km. Now next question, the neighboring countries that share the boundaries with India are पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान, म्यांमार एंड बांग्लादेश, चाइना एंड नेपाल. तो इसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, ऑल द अबव, क्योंकि ये सारी शेयर करती हैं अपनी बाउंड्री इंडिया के साथ. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रेट्स सेपरेट्स इंडिया फ्रॉम श्रीलंका? क्या है इसका नाम? पार्क स्ट्रेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ नैरो चैनल ऑफ सी सेपरेटिंग टू लैंड मासेस इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेट. तो ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या हमारा? व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ इंडियन कोस्ट लाइन? सो इट्स आंसर इज 7516 किलोमीटर.